Hello and welcome to the newtradersbase.com. So pretty much if you took a look at the newsletter, things are playing out pretty much as we expected. So we're in a third wave primary right now, but it is extending. It's rescaling, so we expect it to be quite large. But anyway, this is inside that larger bearish downswing wave. We're still in a smaller wave. So like you see right here, I have I minor, and it goes down to about right here. So the idea is we had a couple waves down. So we had this down to here, and that was wave one. Wave two was this triangle formation that you can pretty much outline it with your eyes. And then three was this entire movement right here. Four took us right up to here, which is where we made our call that we were going to have one more down wave. And then we had five right here. So we have a 5-wave sequence from the top to the bottom. So 5 waves, and now we correct. Okay, so first thing that's neat is I did these Fibonacci arcs and pivot levels. So I did an arc starting from the bottom that we had at the beginning of June up to here, and notice that the 38.2 retracement level, as well as if I go into the 10-day chart, as well as a pivot line on the 10-minute chart, they both hit at the same point here, which was within, let's see, within about 50 minutes from the real bottom. So it's expected that we have a corrective up move now. Now, of course, you look in here and you say, okay, so where's the next pivot? The next pivot is, well, right there, June 27th. So we have that right there, and that's our time target right there on the middle of the 27th, or perhaps the beginning of the 28th if we're off a little bit. Okay, so what's the actual target for this retracement? First, if we go into like the 2-day chart and we go really short term here, we're looking at what looks to be a zigzag correction. So we would have 1, 2, 3 up to here, 4 right to there, and then 5, and then we'd have our downswing and then one more upswing. So just to do proportionality targets, we can take 100% and then project that off the bottom. Now we see that's broken the 100% mark earlier in the day, so that means this would be extended. So that gives us an actual target of just about 1327.50. Okay, so 1327.50, once again going back to the chart from the top to the bottom, if we take the actual retracement from top to bottom, let's see if we run into any key retracement levels. So I'm going to make this one blue, and we'll draw this one just from top to bottom. And let's see, do we have anything around the 1327 level? We have a 38.2 at 1329. If we go in here one more time, see if there's anything else I could have done to maybe I did from complete top to bottom. If I just wanted to do on close, it gives us actually, hold on, let's see. If I get the complete movement, let's see if that gives us anything different. So from top to bottom, it gives us that, and if we filter out that one hammer formation, it gives us about 1329. So we have a range. The range is from 1327 to 1330, and we expect that pivot to occur pretty shortly. The behavior of a wave 5 like we're in right now, wave 3 like we're in right now, in the primary term, is markets move fast, and there's usually not time to get in or get out of the market. All right, so that's what I'm thinking at this point. In the meantime, keep an eye on the relative strength index. It has really showed us divergences before every market decline that we have had. So you see, we keep making higher highs here, similar highs. We're doing fine. But tomorrow we might have some divergence. All right, happy trading.